The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for north central Metric County, southeastern Stearns County, until 6:30 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Painesville, or 24 miles northeast of Wilmer, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Richmond and Watkins around 6:20 p.m. Cold Spring around 6:25 p.m. Rockville around 6:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Manana and St. Nicholas. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning